Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now today we've got a really special video going to take you through exactly what it means to build your perfect dream campervan with Jerba Campervans. Now the kind of things that I'll be taking you through are all of the options and extras that we can include in your sort of bespoke campervan build. So it's everything from choosing your van, the colour of your van, all the way through to, you know, the colour of the furniture that we're going to fit in your van. So yeah, I'll show you all those stages in our workshop and also show you some of the options that are available. So the service that we offer here at Jerba Campervans is completely bespoke, and that's from all aspects of the van all the way through to the conversion. Now what that means is that when you place an order with Jerba Campervans, the first thing you'll do is you'll spec out the van to your taste. So you'll pick this T6.1 van, for example. You'll choose the colour. Customer's gone for white on this one. You'll choose the engine that you want. You'll also have all of the options that Volkswagen can offer on the inside, on the dash. You know, you can have leather seats, that sort of stuff. So you basically choose your van and then spec it to exactly what your dream van would be like, you know, aircon, all those sort of things. The next part of the process would be choosing, you know, your dream campervan layout. And we've got 4 layouts here at Jerba that the customer chooses from. And one of the options is our Sana, which is the one we're in just now, which is kitchen in the rear, seats at the front, 2 single beds. Or you might like to go for our Tyree, which is our short wheelbase, kitchen in the front elevation roof. So the first thing you'll do is choose the layout which you think suits you the best, and then we can really start to dive in and make it personalized to you. So the next thing to consider, which is really important, is the roof on your van. You can have a high top roof, or you could have a pop top roof, or even sometimes people choose to just keep the sort of existing roof in their van. But again, totally bespoke, so it's all up to you what best fits your needs. We can supply a high top in both a long wheelbase and a short wheelbase, so we really can create your dream van around your dream layout. Now that you've got your base vehicle chosen and you know what conversion layout that you're going to go for, it's time to start choosing some of the stylings inside. And probably the first thing that you'll choose would be the colour of your furniture. Here at Jerba we stock 4 different furniture finishes to choose from, and you can kind of mix and match them to best suit your needs. So what you might decide to do is go for a sort of driftwood on the sides. You might decide that you want driftwood on the bottom and your worktops to be in a sort of lighter grey. So it's really a case of finding out what best sort of suits you. So once you've chosen what colours you'd like your furniture to be and your worktop to be, we can then start to think about the kind of things that we will put in the furniture. So if you want a gas hob, if you want a diesel heater, and I'll take you and we'll have a look at some of those just now. So once you've chosen your furniture colour, you can then take a look through, you know, the conversion extra sheet. And what that means is basically all the things that we can offer inside your conversion. Now, we do have a set list of features as standard, but say you wanted to upgrade, stuff like, you know, a 3-burner and sink combo instead of the 2-burner that we offer as standard. Or you might want a diesel hob, that kind of thing. This would be the time to choose them. You can see as well that we've got this really big sort of storeroom here at Jerba, and as part of our ISO 9001 we basically have to be on top of all of our paperwork, and that also means being on top of all of our stock, making sure we know exactly what we've got in stock, exactly what we're using, exactly what's coming in, so all that sort of stuff. And that's also really good because when you choose all those extras for your van, we can then print off a works order which we can then give to our joiners so that they know exactly how to cut your furniture based on all the sort of features inside your camper van. And it also means that our pickers can come up here and they can create your pick and trolley full of all the right bits for your camper van. And this is an absolutely seamless system that works perfect every single time, and it means that we can get it right every single time. And it also means that we've got all the parts that we need to build all the camper vans that we can offer, with all the accessories that we can offer too. We hold them all here in stock, and that's been really helpful for us, especially during the recent lockdown, because it meant that even though we have some supply issues sort of 6 months down the line, everything that we need for the next 6 months we actually have here in our store, and sometimes even for longer than that. So yeah, it's really good. It's really good that we're on top of it, and hopefully it just shows the sort of level of commitment that we've got to quality here at Jerba Campervans. So other parts of the conversion that you'll be asked to make a choice on are things like your floor color. Now we use this really hardware and Altro flooring, and we stock 5 different colors of it. So if you want gray, blue, barley color, that sort of stuff, you can really start to, you know, match up your furniture boards with your flooring and start to create that sort of look you're going for in your van, creating your dream camper van, if you will. I talked a lot about our storeroom before and about how we stock all the sort of things that we can offer you in your camper van. But there is obviously a level of, you know, if there's something you want that we don't have, we can order that in for you. You know, we're not only confined to what we have here. We are open to, you know, say you wanted a specific tracker or some sort of power inverter or a TV aerial of some description, you know, some of the things that we might only fit once a year, we can of course order all that stuff in for you. But all the stuff, all the popular stuff, all the stuff that we use a lot of is all here. Yeah, so there is of course that level of bespoke flexibility in all our vans that I've talked about a lot. So yeah, we can really create exactly what you want. There are of course loads of optional extras that you can have in your camper van, things like roof beds. So you can see here our Jerba owned slatted roof beds, super comfortable. All that sort of stuff you can add to your camper van, and all that stuff we hold in stock here at the Jerba HQ. One of the most important choices in our camper vans that we find our customers really enjoy choosing would be the pattern of their curtains. Now we use a supplier called Terry's Fabrics, and we basically say, go onto Terry's website, look through their, you know, hundreds of patterns, choose the patterns that you like, and we'll order in your pattern for you, your fabric here. And we've got our own sewing room and seam sealing room, so we create your blackout curtains for you in the fabric that you choose. And it's just a really nice way to put a personal touch on your van. So yeah, make sure you have a little look on Terry's Fabrics website. You'll see loads of patterns, and you can choose the ones that you think would look the best in your dream camper van. If you're looking to create your dream camper van and really kickstart your next big adventure, make sure you come down and have a chat with us here at Jerba. You can go through the options and we can talk about what your dream camper van might look like, and we can sort of make recommendations, show you around, show you the guys working, and yeah, take it from there. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, to see more vans that we're creating and van tours, that kind of stuff. And you know, give us a like, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.